자구러 가이더니 공의 수마이 땅의 사자고 카 그라케 부이두 나르의 수마이 땅의 사자고 바라니 엘렌바기 비신의 가자자 게랑너 부이두 우의 데이 커럽 봉의 아너 복사의 동만이 사문너 카바이 두바이 땅나이 한바이
Senior 28, Sri Hong Jong Mok, 28, Silasuri, Morbongpur, SC Constituency of Haryana. যিনি ফার্স্ট সেশনে oath taking ceremony of elected MDC जों 18 जनानो oath taking बिथा. It is a wonderful opportunity for me and also a privilege to congratulate all elected MDC for successful oath taking and being elected to 8 district council election of BJP. I also thank all of them for rendering their cooperation. I also thank our administrator and officials of BJP and also staff for extending their help for organizing this oath-taking ceremony today on 19th at the district council. Then we are coming to the end of the first session, and the second session will be just after 5 minutes. That is in pursuance of Rule 171 of Tripura Tribal Areas of Surat District Council, Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business, Rules 1985, Governor of Tripura has appointed Sri Ananto Devarma, Member of District Council, to preside over the meeting. The Council pending election to chairman. Above 5 minutes for it, Suntabo dispersion night, Tarak to the night, after 5 minutes, we are reassembling here, and our elected member who has been appointed by governor to preside over the election to chairman and thereafter to CM, we will come and take over the chair. He will conduct election to chairman. After declaration by presiding over elected member of the Burma who has owned the chairmanship, then chairman will take over the chair of chairman. After that, chairman will conduct the election to chief executive member. ধন্যবাদ. আমরা যতক্ষণ 5 মিনিট করে জুতাইসা ওরক জাতিকা জায়গা ভাই আসুক ভাই কোন ভাই